Yieldstreet, investing in private loans for 12% passive income. The global private market is worth $10 trillion as of September 2021, and private market investments are up five-fold since 2007. Here's how to make a 3 to 18% target return with Yieldstreet. Yieldstreet is a private market platform that features investment opportunities across art, real estate, structured notes, and other asset classes. Yieldstreet was founded in 2014 by Milan Mahir and Michael Weiss. Since then, the company has amassed 200-plus employees, over 300 key users, and $150 million in funding. Yieldstreet is open to all investors who want the following: diversify their portfolios with private market investments, receive quarterly distributions from investment loans, invest in an asset with short to medium-term liquidity, 3 months to 5 years. Use an established platform with hundreds of thousands of users. And while most crowdfunding platforms offer investment opportunities within a single asset class, Yieldstreet offers opportunities across 6+ alternative asset classes. Yieldstreet has paid a total of $1.8 billion to investors since their inception. Since 2015, Yieldstreet's accredited investments have averaged 10.61%. Its non-accredited investments have returned a weighted average yield of 9.29% in the past 2 years. Yieldstreet provides access to alternative fixed income investments. Investors can buy into their offerings from $500 and make money on interest payments. The annualized yield varies with each investment, but the numbers can be found on the offering pages. Yieldstreet makes money by charging an annual 1 to 2% management fee, a flat annual fund expense that varies with each offering. In certain cases, Yieldstreet may also charge the originator a listing fee. Here are 5 key takeaways for investing in the private markets with Yieldstreet. The global private market is worth $10 trillion. Private market investments help investors diversify their portfolios. Yieldstreet provides access to private market investments across 6+ alternative asset classes. The platform is open to all investors worldwide. Investors make money on interest payments from private market loans. Follow us on social media to discover more investment platforms.